What's up everybody, welcome back to another honest review. Today's focus is the BleeqUp Ranger, the world's first 4-in-1 AI sports camera glasses built for cycling, running and long outdoor sessions. Our testing showed that BleeqUp Ranger behaves differently from traditional sports eyewear, and those differences became clearer when placed beside Oakley Meta Vanguard. Both target active users, yet the features each product leans into create two distinct experiences. Well, before we start the review, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Both BleeqUp Ranger and Oakley Meta Vanguard follow a semi-rimless wraparound structure suited for outdoor activity. BleeqUp Ranger expands this foundation through interchangeable lenses, including 7 tinted options, 2 photochromic choices, and prescription lenses support that adds greater visual flexibility. The 49-gram TR90 frame stays light during extended sports sessions, and adjustable nose pads help maintain a stable fit through rapid movement. ZEISS lens options add UV protection, scratch resistance, and reduced reflections for clearer visibility in shifting conditions. Oakley Meta Vanguard weighs 66 grams and maintains the familiar Oakley aesthetic, combining a sturdier feel with impact-resistant lenses that transition smoothly between lifestyle and active settings. While Vanguard keeps a clean, recognizable profile, Ranger leans into a fully integrated, sports-ready design. Moving into the camera system, Ranger begins with stronger photo performance, using a 16-megapixel sensor that captures clear outdoor detail. Oakley Meta Vanguard uses a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera suited for everyday hands-free images. For video, Ranger supports 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, while Oakley Meta Vanguard provides 2 shooting quality options, giving more flexibility for casual recording. But in bright daylight, both deliver similar clarity. What I like about this BleeqUp Ranger is it supports both 16:9 landscape and 9:16 portrait formats, while Vanguard focuses mainly on vertical recording for social-ready clips. Moreover, Qualcomm 5100 AI chip and EIS give BleeqUp Ranger steadier performance during cycling, turns, and quick transitions. That leads naturally into audio. BleeqUp Ranger extends its outdoor focus with a 4-speaker 5-microphone air conduction system designed to maintain environmental awareness while keeping sound clear. Its wind reduction structure supports speech clarity during high-speed segments. And you know what? Real-time walkie-talkie functions enable unlimited intercom links with one-finger activation, helping groups stay coordinated on long routes. Sports data broadcasts deliver cycling metrics through audio prompts, supporting training without breaking rhythm. Okay, Oakley Meta Vanguard uses open-ear directional speakers and a 5-microphone array tuned for calls, commands, and quick recordings, supported by Meta AI for hands-free actions. Interaction blends temple touch controls with a Bluetooth controller on Ranger, while Vanguard focuses on touch input paired with AI prompts. Well, shifting into endurance, the BleeqUp Ranger paired with Power Plus delivers up to 5 hours of filming and handles daily use for up to 48 hours. Oakley Meta Vanguard reaches around 6 hours with its charging case, which suits short outings but doesn't support longer days as reliably. Durability continues this difference. BleeqUp Ranger performs well in rain, dust, and changing temperatures, staying dependable across varied trails. Oakley Meta Vanguard's IPX7 rating is solid, but the BleeqUp Ranger's outdoor-tuned prompts and safety alerts provided more useful support during extended testing. Transitioning into smart tools, BleeqUp Ranger brings AI auto highlights, event logging, emergency capture, navigation help, simple editing, multi-sport dashboards, and sensor-driven alerts. It behaves more like an outdoor assistant than a single wearable. On the other hand, Oakley Meta Vanguard uses Meta AI for general tasks, but it doesn't include sport-focused highlights, emergency recording, navigation tools, or walkie-talkie support, which limits its usefulness in real outdoor activity. Yeah, after weeks of testing, BleeqUp Ranger stands out as a dependable outdoor companion, blending filming, navigation, communication, and comfort into one lightweight frame. Oakley Meta Vanguard stays stylish for casual smart eyewear, but for cycling, climbing, or running, BleeqUp Ranger brings stronger outdoor-focused value. I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this BleeqUp Ranger. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.